Hi, I'm Joyce Worthy. This is August 22nd, 2011. Welcome to the craft room. Exciting to see it for the first time, and I'm very happy to report that it's true to the measurements that I had. That's always a good thing. So let's kind of walk through this space. We've got a great long wall, about 140 inches long, and this is going to be a magnificent place for the crafter or home office user. It's going to have a lot of cabinetry, easy access, open, beautiful storage, a wonderful 24-inch deep work surface, and just places and cubbies for everything you need to put. Also in here is a closet, which is going to be custom for this craft person, for lots of fabric storage, clothing storage, really anything, any additional spaces that they need. Plus it's going to be behind doors so you can hide your mess. Always a good thing. Beautiful open window facing into the court. And then I've got my small wall here. This is my small wall here, and this is where the surprise is going. What is the surprise? Not going to tell you, but suffice it to say, it's just going to be enough to just give some great double use for this room. So you're going to have to come back and see what it is, okay?